Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Tecno Pova 6 Pro, and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll to find display brightness. Let's tap on it. Then let's go to the eye care, because this is the name of the eye comfort mode in this device, and simply tap on the switcher to activate it. You can see that the screen turns yellowish or even amber. It is in order to filter the blue light. You can customize this feature just by tapping on this option, and let's start with the intensity. We can change it just by using the switcher. By going to the left we can make it cooler, and by going to the right warmer. So it's of course up to you which option is most comfortable for you. Then we can custom the schedule, so we can basically schedule this option. The off option is manual option. We can set the schedule, so choose the start and the end time, just tap on the option, and by scrolling you can change it, and your device will apply the eye care accordingly. Or we can set it from sunset to sunrise, so your device will automatically decide when the sun sets and the sun rises, or it is location based. So let me turn it off. And basically this is the whole customization. If you want to have much faster access to this option, simply unroll the top bar. Let's unroll it fully to find the eye comfort or eye care icon. It is right here, so let's tap on it to turn it on, and tap on it again to turn it off. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.